So, good evening everyone. I will answer my assignment number 3, banking. So, number 1, history of banking. The history of banking dates back thousands of years with evidence of banking system found in ancient civilizations such as Mesopotamia, Egypt, and Greece. Ancient Mesopotamia, which exists in the area of present-day era, is often considered the birthplace of modern banking. Around 2000 BCE, temples and palaces served as centers of commerce and storage of agricultural goods. Next, number 2, BSP functions. BSP functions monetary policy formulation and implementation. The BSP is responsible for formulating and implementing monetary policies to maintain price stability and support sustainable economic growth. It sets interest, manage the money supply, and conducts open market operation to influence economic condition, banking supervision and regulation. All banks and financial institutions in the Philippines to ensure their soundness and stability. Good morning everyone. I will continue the assignment in number 2, BSP functions. Currency, insurance, and management. As the sole issuer of currency in the Philippines, the BSP is responsible for producing and distributing banknotes and coins. Financial stability oversight. The BSP monitors and assesses risk to financial stability, including systematic risk and abilities in the banking. Next, number 3, bank classification. Central banks are the government bodies responsible for formulating and implementing monetary policy, regulating the banking system, and maintaining stability in the financial system. Next, commercial banks are typically owned banks that offer a wide range of banking service to individuals, businesses, and governments. They accept deposit, provide loans, facilitate transactions, and offer various financial products and services like checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Retail banks privately serve individual customers and small businesses. They provide basic banking services such as savings account, checking accounts, personal loans, mortgage, and credit cards. Investment banks primarily deal with large operations institutional investors, and governments. They specialize in providing financial advisory services, underwriting securities, insurance, facilitating mergers and acquisitions, and managing investment portfolios. Next, cooperative banks are owned and operated by the members who are typically individuals or small businesses. They operate on the principle of cooperation and provide banking service to members at favorable rates. Next, number 4, different types of bank accounts. Checking account, savings account, money market account, certificate of deposit, and joint account. Checking account is one of the most basic types of bank accounts. It allows account holders to deposit and withdraw funds on a frequent basis. Savings account is designed to help individuals or businesses save money over time. It usually earns interest on the balance held in the account, although the interest rates tend to be lower than other types of accounts. Money market accounts are similar to savings accounts but generally offer higher interest rates. They often require a higher minimum balance and may have limited check writing capabilities. Certificate of deposit is a time deposit account with a fixed term and fixed interest rate. CD accounts require the account holder to deposit funds for a specialized period ranging from a few months to several years. And joint account is a bank account owned by 2 or more individuals. Each account holder has equal access to the funds and can make deposits, withdrawals, and other transactions. Number 5, service offered by bank are deposit services, loans and credit, payment service, foreign exchange service, and online and mobile banking. Deposit service, banks allow individuals and businesses to open deposit accounts to safely store their money. Loans and credit provide various types of loan and credit facilities to individuals and businesses. These include personal loans, home loans, and auto loans, business loans, lines of credit, and credit cards. Payment services enable customers to make and receive payments through various methods. They for service they offer service such as electronic funds transfers, wire transfers, automatic bill payments, direct deposits, and issuing checks or cashier's checks. Foreign exchange service facilitate foreign currency exchange and international trade transactions. And online and mobile banking provide online and mobile banking platforms that allows customers to access their accounts, view balance, transfer funds, pay bills, order checks, and perform other banking transactions remotely. And last Number 6, bank's organizational structure are board of directors, executive management, business lines or divisions, branches and regional office, and support staff. Board of directors responsible for the overall governance and strategic direction of the bank. It is composed of a group of individuals elected and appointed to represent the interests of shareholders or stakeholders. Executive management team led by the CEO or Chief Executive Officer or President is responsible for the day-to-day operations and management of the bank. Business lines or divisions often organize the operations into business lines or divisions based on the types of service offered or customer segments served. Common divisions may include retail banking, commercial banking, corporate banking, investment banking, wealth management, and treasury. Branches and regional offices often have a network of branches or regional offices to serve customers. These branches are typically overseen by regional managers who are responsible for the branch's operations, customer service, and sales. And last, support staff play current roles in the smooth functioning of bank, including administrative assistants, receptionists, customer service representatives, tailors, and operations staff. That's all. Thank you.